Hey everyone, today I am excited to show you a simple automation I recently built using n8n. This automation monitors a Google Drive folder and sends email whenever a new file is being uploaded to this folder. This email includes the uploader's name and file type, saving time and keeping eye on instantly. Right now, this is the Google Drive folder and I am going to upload a file from my another device, and I will show you the email being triggered here. And just a quick note, this automation checks for new uploads every minute, so this email may take up to a minute to arrive. Let's wait for this. But here you can see the file has already been uploaded, and this email is going to be triggered very soon. So the email also has been arrived, and if I click on this email, you can see that the user's name who has uploaded the file and the file type. Here you can also include the file link so that you can directly open that file. This is my first time I'm doing this, and I have plans to integrate much more complex automation in the near future. Thanks for watching.